my ear. My ear. Oh my God.
Is that a hen back there or Jake?
I don't know. Good shot, man. Good shot. We got him. He played for a while, but we don't know. They might still come. Man, it's snowing like a sieve. And if you can look at the decoys, they're kind of like snowed up, and we just put a tom down. Or I should say my buddy Rick here just put a tom down. Woo! There's probably about an inch of snow on them things. Yeah, those are hens behind. What time is it? You gotta watch it now. It's gotta be what, almost 7?
6:30.
6:30? Scouted, didn't see these guys, and then thought we'd set up blind and come out here, and I was afraid that the snow was gonna impact the birds, but as you can see, these guys are covered up but still did the job. My thought was putting the tail end facing where I thought they were gonna come out of, which they did. They flew down out of the pines. And this guy over here was playing around, and then decided that he wanted to sneak up on my decoy. That's why I had his back to him. And then as you saw, Rick took the shot and took him down. Nice tom down, man. Check that out. He's got a nice beard on him. He's a good sized bird. Oh, snow covered. Congrats.
Thanks.
One shot, one bird.
This is a heavy blind.
I think it's a heavy blind because there's a couple of chairs in there too. Tell me about it. I gotta carry that all the time. So as you see, we just got to the truck. I got the turkey slayer, Rick over here. Got out here about what, 4:30?
Yeah.
Got out here at 4:30. Saw these turkeys fly down. I didn't see them. He did. And I'm like, yep, there they are. And we had them play over by the tree line, and was afraid at first that they weren't going to come over, and did a little bit of calling. And with our decoys being like an inch of snow on there, I didn't think they were going to come over. I thought they were going to be spooked and go the other way. Well, he was spooked like a couple seconds after he seen the decoy when Rick here put him down. So now it's time to go home. Oh my God, my hands are freezing. His hands are freezing.
Yep.
Woo! So I hope you enjoyed the video.
Good on.
Turkey Slayer over there. Good job.
Thank you.
And this is where I say sayonara, sucker. All right, man.
Thank you
Nice
so
shot.
much.
Yeah, no problem. There's the end of the hunt. So sad. This is the saddest time. All right. I'll be looking forward to them smoked legs.
Okay.
All right. Have a good one, man. All right.